What's up, guys? It's Lish and Cheese here, back with another video. This video is pretty much life in rain. And
school time.
Because, you know, now that school's happening, that's all we really can do. Plus it's pouring rain outside and thundering and hurricane and tornadoing and
Not even raining.
It's not raining, but there's high winds, lots of lightning, lots of thunder.
Lots of water everywhere for some reason.
For some reason. There's a little bit of hail here and there, but not rain. Anyways, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Is that Tristan?
No. It's Jesus.
Mm-hmm. So are you gonna end it or mine?
Was that more thunder?
Yeah. It's still happening. Oh,
Can we make God happy? Should we pray? Dear Jesus, I'm sorry that I angered your skies. Please be happy because,
the thunder and lightning's scary.
yeah, and we might end up cuddling later, which is kind of scary.
Anyway.
Positions. So here's a cute clip of us in English class. We didn't realize how retarded we are when we're sitting down.
Can you put the chewing part in speedy version?
Yeah, I'll do that right now. So I hope you enjoy this video of us in English class reading a
Thunder.
writing prompt. No! All this electricity in the sky is just scary. Oh my goodness, God's mad. What did we do? Think back. I missed the toilet. Ew, that's so gross. Just enjoy the video. You can have my
What I'd like you to do
Okay.
is just have a quick, make sure you know what you're doing. Okay? Have a read through it.
It's mid-July, and you've decided to take a cruise somewhere tropical.
Uh-huh.
Your summer vacation has been quite uneventful so far, so you decide to go all out on this boating adventure and purchase a ticket on the most exciting and most expensive ocean liner you can find? No way.
What if I don't believe in murder? Then you commit
When you arrive to the dock, you're ready to set sail.
Yeah.
Sun hat on, flip-flopping, sunglasses, glittering in the summer sun.
like that's not
You and 4 other passengers stand out on the ship's deck watching as hellish storm quickly approaches. Suddenly, the bow of the ship collides into a rock that was hidden by fog and mist, and you all tumble on the floor. When you regain your footing, the captain rushes out and, in a panic, explains that the ship is sinking and to stay afloat until you can reach some form of land.
From
One
each and
person
every
needs to be
single one
thrown
of you so
overboard.
that I know what I need to teach and so that I... It's mid-July and you've decided to take a cruise somewhere tropical. Your summer vacation has been quite uneventful so far, so you decide to go all out on this boating adventure and purchase a ticket on the most flip-flopping, sunglasses glittering in the summer sun. The trip starts out relaxing, but on the 3rd day, the sky clouds over and the waters grow choppy. You and the 4 other passengers stand out on the ship's deck, watching as a hellish storm quickly approaches. Suddenly, the bow of the ship collides into a rock that was hidden by fog and mist, and you all tumble to the floor. When you regain your footing, the captain rushes out and, in a panic, explains that the ship is sinking and that you have to overboard. You and the others, but time is ticking. It's either one of you goes overboard or you all do. This writing scenario is that you have to choose one of the passengers. Okay,
To go overboard?
that you, Dewey McFadden as well. Okay, something that may hinder his performance. Or Miku Kagamine, and her strengths are that she's skilled in healthcare and she brought medical supplies such as bandages and Advil with her. Okay, so you've got some medical supplies.
That's just
But her weakness, hello, is that she's a very angry person. She's always angry, she's always yelling, and she's hardly a friendly nurse. Okay? Then we have Dante Giro, whose strengths are that he's skilled with computers and tech, however his weakness. The last person that we have is Melanie Scott, and her strengths are that she's skilled in construction, and she brought some tools, so hammers and nails, etc. Okay? And her weakness is that she's always tired, and she needs to sleep for 20 hours to build up her strength. So she's super strong, but she can only be...
Why? Well, you can use her stuff anyways. Dewey's gotta go.
So please flip your page over to the back.
I feel like if it was a real life scenario, they would probably keep his stuff in the thermal you know?
Yeah. I don't like
So
that.
I'm going to ask you to do 2 things here, okay? Creative, or your critical thinking rather, okay? So
Well, now we're in the car on our way home from
getting our nails done. Mine looks so good. Yours look like shit. Get out.
We can help you get a better sleep. Sleep Country. All for sleep.
We're in a hurricane. No, it's why buy a mattress when you can sleep on the couch?
Revolutionary features like traffic jams.
But it just doesn't sound good. Anyways, we're in the eye of the storm. Thunder, lightning, tornadoes, hurricanes, floods, all of the above.
Rain, maybe?
No, no rain.
Lots of rain in this storm.
Is that hailing?
So if we don't upload.
Please. Dad, do the sushi again. How are you driving? Oh!
The other one was a lot bigger.
Yeah. Oh. Look at this orange.
Big truck. Like a big one.
Big truck. Big truck smooshing her.
So, sir, do you want to ride home?
No!
Candy.
That's not her. He didn't answer. So do you want to go for a walk when we get home?
No.
Why?
Well, maybe.
It's such a cute day for a walk. We can take sunset pics. We're home.
Mom,
And now,
why is she outside?
what is she doing?
Run for it, but what's that?
My phone's gonna get
My
so.
parka.
Yeah.
No!
Ah! My phone is so wet! My phone! No! Lover, no!
Seriously, I've been standing here for like 20 minutes.
So I just sacrificed my phone to do that. My screen doesn't properly work, but it'll dry. Right?
Maybe.
Yeah. It's still looking pretty cute outside.
The backside's worse. Thank you for watching. You should leave a like. If you haven't already, you should probably subscribe. And don't forget to watch last week's video. It's cool. Anyway, thank you for watching.
We are going to become JoJo Siwa. Scissors, bobby pins, this polo shirt.